Hi guys and welcome. So today we're going to be talking about the best free WordPress theme. I know this is somewhat like a popular topic, and one of the reasons I'm making this is many persons are still making the mistake to date, choosing some themes that are not supposed to choose. And today I'm going to be talking about just only two themes. Those two would give you enough that you need to do when you're building a site in WordPress. And without wasting time, let's get to number two out of two. So at number two, we have Astra. Yeah. So you might be expecting Astra to be first. I've been using Astra for a very long time. Like it was my first set of WordPress theme, right? And they have lots of options. Like if you are building either a business website, an e-commerce, whatnot. As you can see here, we have best for building e-commerce and best for building business or directory portfolio. These guys, Astra, do a lot. Like if let me get down to their there's what we call starter team. Like if you want to build a website for the very first time, you get to build it with template. They have lots of template, and this could show you what you can build with it. And trust me, I don't think there is any other team that is stress free, because that's one of the reasons why you choose a WordPress theme. Stress free ability for you to control so many other things and do a lot, because control is very important. Not installing a theme and you'll be able to use some certain things, and sometimes you might get confused or don't even know who to call or who to talk. And their free theme does a lot. So another one of the best ways to check what they do is by coming to their site. So if you come to their site, you can go to their homepage, look through what they do for business, online shop, portfolios. Like I said, a lot of things that they do, right? You can download their theme, practice, test around, right? Yes, because only as much as I'm praising them, you have to test. And yes, they're good with Gutenberg. They have their own page build. These are page builders they support very well, and Elemental. But most of the times, most persons merge Astra with Elemental and Beaver Builder, but most times I've used it more personally with Elemental, and it is smooth. Two things I love about themes, or if I'm using a theme to build with any WordPress site, is speed and how lightweight it can be. So Astra is like a go-to. So you can go down their page and look at so many things, right? And try to see what is for you, what's not for you. Try to see their features, their functions, what they have. And if you want to just build a dummy site, right, you can use this platform that's Zip. It's not sponsored, right? But this platform is what I use to set up these two sites. If you could see here, they are both yeah, where I'm gonna delete this. I think you guys are saying this already. So I set up these two, and you guys can test your site and test the builder for 24 hours. I think they will give you an extra day or so, so it's good for it. So the thing here, you can check for e-commerce, what features they have. You can check this detail, because even tune dates when I want to build a certain site, especially certain sites that have high custom features, I tend to still come back to check what they have, what I can do, and the rest. So if you want to even check more about the site, you can go to customizer. So this is where you check more about what the theme has, like the free version. So as you can see, they have lots of stuff from global settings. We have your color, typography. Trust me, it's been a while. I've come to these guys, and this is actually a lot of improvement from last time. So you can work on your header, post, general, home settings. If you're familiar with WordPress, you're familiar with all these things, and you can do a lot with this. So not taking too much time on Astra, the next one is Cadence. So Cadence now is like my go-to thing, because it's lightweight, it's fast, and you guys be like, "Ugh, what does Cadence have?" Cadence have a lot, and especially when you're building e-commerce sites, they have tons of free things to practice. And one thing with me now, of recent, I've started building from scratch, so I don't even use the templates and everything. So it gives me the ability to build lots of sites from scratch without any stress. So Like for example, this is one type of website you can build. It's like for a real estate, I think. Yeah, but if you go to their website, you get to see a lot of what their products have. So if I go to products, say I'm not, trying to um see, okay, this is premium bundle. Let's just try to come down here so you can get to see what and what they have. And if you are, confused about their price plan, you can come down and check. So there was one time I got their full plan, right? I used it for a very long time. So but I needed my client to start, paying for it. That's why I stopped, a full plan. So if you can, try to go through their shop kits, see what they have, see what they support. Yes, in as much as they support Gutenberg and Elementor, they also have their own Cadence page builder on Gutenberg, which Cadence block, which I love very, 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 very much. So you can scroll down to check what they have. And like I said, you can also test, right? And if there's one thing I love about these guys is they have this export function, import and export, where I can import my theme settings. I've not really checked Astra if they have that. It's been a while. You could see it's here, so you can import and export. This is a lifesaver, I'm not gonna lie. So if I install this starter template, it's gonna be, as you can see, you have colors, header, footer. Like, this Cadence is like my go-to for anything. So like I said, guys, if you want to build a website for the very first time using WordPress, these two guys are the go-to. Any other one is just test before you use, because you might have issues with it. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also you can ask anything and or suggest any topic, and I would, talk about it. Bye for now.